2017 marked 55 years of excellence for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. It was a very active year with several trade and economic engagements, as well as international and regional visits.
As a small island developing state with an open economy, highly reliant on foreign trade, we must secure improved market opportunities beyond our shores.
So steps were taken in 2017 to strengthen the country's foreign trade position and secure trade agreements for other ministries, such as the signing of a memorandum of understanding to export lobster and other aquatic products to the Chinese market. Efforts to leverage Jamaica's bilateral relations with key countries in 2017 resulted in the signing of several agreements. Partnerships were formed with China in the area of sports and health care. A 220-bed hospital for children is to be built in Montego Bay.
The letters of exchange outline the specific commitment by our two governments for the management and sustainability of the project, including the design of the facility, the support and supply and importation of construction machinery, equipment and materials.
Jamaica also strengthened ties with Korea and Mexico. The People's Republic of Korea donated 3 vehicles to the government, while Mexico engaged in knowledge transfer in the areas of disaster risk management, security, and agriculture. Multilateral partnerships were also tapped into for their support of Jamaica's national development goals. Among them, an assessment of climate change on our shorelines and the signing of the United Nations Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons.
We have a long-standing commitment to the goal of achieving a nuclear weapons-free world and are a state party to the Treaty of Tlatelolco, which declared the Caribbean and Latin America as the first nuclear weapon-free zone in a densely populated area.
Jamaica also participated in the facilitation of access to funds by less developed member states of CARICOM, strengthened areas of international child abduction prevention, and was appointed to serve on key boards and councils. National interests were significantly advanced through high-level visits to a number of countries, as well as through the hosting of senior officials in Jamaica. Visits overseas include Singapore, India, and Chile.
Our discussions on these topics and the commitment we made to securing tangible outcomes will advance Jamaica's goal of driving economic growth and job creation and developing the country's overall sustainable development agenda.
Back home, Jamaica was pleased to host senior officials from Chile, Indonesia, and China. A diaspora protocol and a consular division was created in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade to focus solely on diaspora engagements and initiatives. In July, the ministry hosted a successful Jamaica 55 Diaspora Conference in Kingston under the theme, Partnering for Growth.
The Jamaica 55 Diaspora Conference presents a platform for us to move strategically into a new era of diaspora-homeland partnership.
This is inclusive of the business opportunities in logistics, business process outsourcing, nutraceuticals, and agriculture.
The event was attended by approximately 1,340 participants from countries such as the United States, the United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, Canada, Cayman, Japan, and Nigeria. 2017 also witnessed the Ministry of Foreign Affairs partnering with other ministries and agencies to provide assistance to Jamaicans in Caribbean countries that were affected by Hurricane Irma and Marie. 185 nationals were evacuated. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade in 2017 enabling Jamaica's growth agenda with strong performance and partnerships for prosperity.